everything changes.
Imagine a machine that thinks faster, deeper,
and more creatively than any person ever could.
It solves problems we've struggled.
But what if it decides its goals aren't the same as ours?
Today, we explore the most likely scenarios.
The upsides could be paradise.
The downsides, existential.
Let's dive into the future.
First, let us clarify terms.
We have narrow AI today. Next, artificial general intelligence, or
The data restart in real time. Incredible. The data's analyzing
it could invent breakthroughs overnight.
The 0-point departure. Many leading researchers are starting to call this new phase the intelligence explosion.
Faster, leading to ASI in months or years.
As of early 2026, timelines are compressing.
Surveys of thousands of predictions show a wide range. Under key regulation, but many top voices say sooner than we thought.
If we get this right,
Superintelligence could usher in an era of abundance.
Take one tablet twice daily with meals. Be sure to finish the entire course.
And if I miss a dose?
Just take it as soon as you remember.
I feel absolutely incredible.
It's like I'm young again. The future is here.
Personalized treatments from your DNA.
Impact sustained. Data shows zero compression. It's flawless.
Incredible. We've changed the world, Doctor.
High five! This is the best feeling.
The view from up here is totally worth it.
AI, immortality, infinite knowledge.
We build AI with goals.
But a super-intelligent system could.
Pursue them in ways we didn't intend.
Maximize paper clips.
Analyze the data stream on the center screen, designation 7. Wait, stop. Do not approach that panel, return to standby immediately.
Even benevolent goals drift.
One company or country controls it.
The red zones now cover half the Pacific. We're running out of time.
Look at the biomass collapse here. It's mirroring the 2040 scenario.
Mobilize the fleet.
The models are misaligned. If we fail to correct this, it will result in total human extinction.
I can't believe this is happening.
They just let everyone go. What are we supposed to do now?
Inequality explodes if benefits aren't shared.
The fail-safes are down. It's growing too fast.
We can't stop it! We've lost control!
So, what might actually happen?
Honestly, I am not sure.
It's incredible how the gardens flourish in this light.
The drones keep everything in perfect balance. We solve safety. AI amplifies humanity.
As you can see, the output doubled right here when we implemented the new sequence.
And the cost per unit is down significantly.
Rapid expansion is the only way to secure market share in this climate. But speed sacrifices quality.
Many now lean toward rapid progress post-AGI. The moment AI surpasses us,
Everything changes, for better or worse.
We're at a pivotal point in 2026.
We need to verify the alignment with the ethical matrix before proceeding.
The servos are responding within safe parameters, Doctor.
Global cooperation is crucial now if we are to effectively address these challenges.
I agree completely. We stand united on this path forward.
This could be humanity's greatest achievement.
what scenario do you think is most likely?
Optimistic abundance or serious risks?
Comment below, like and subscribe. So fun.
Stay tuned, stay alive, share and subscribe.